first step in this ribbon trim tutu is to make your tutu. I've got mine right here. The one that I used here is the elastic and the knot method. Now you'll also need to have satin ribbon, and you want to make sure that it's matching your tutu color, your tulle color. And so you're going to cut out as many as you need. Mine needed about 110 strips of ribbon, and the tulle is 6 inches wide, so I cut mine out to 6 1/4 inches. And we're going to sew these onto the finished tutu. With the ribbon, you also want to make sure to seal both ends, and I do that with a lighter, and that way it won't fray while it's on the tutu. Okay, so you can see that the ribbon curves a certain way, and so we want to put it down with the curve facing up. And with the tulle, you can see that it bends this way, and so we want that to go the same way as the ribbon. And so we're going to put that on there as well, and we're going to stitch as close to the top as we can. Make sure not to let the tulle go over the edge. Okay. Make sure to back stitch. And then just cut off your thread, and I'll show you what this looks like. And then as you can see, the ribbon curls just right on the end of that tulle. And so you just go ahead and keep doing that for all of your pieces, and it just looks amazing. Going all the way around until you've finished putting the ribbon trim on all of the tulle.